Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the most delicious eggplant parmesan. This is absolutely delicious and I hope you guys try this. If you all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Please leave a comment down below. Let's jump right into this video. So here I have one wash in dry eggplant. The rest of the ingredients will be in the description box along with the measurements. So here I'm adding my herbs to my breadcrumbs mixture, and I'm also using seasoned breadcrumbs. My grated Parmesan, garlic, and onion powder, and we are going to mix this well. Then we are going to flour both sides of the eggplant, and this is to absorb all the moisture. Our second step is the egg wash, the eggplant after flouring it. Then we are going to add that to our breadcrumbs Parmesan mixture. And we are going to let that sit for a bit. Then we are going to fry this up for mine took about 1 minute. You don't want it, you actually would like this to be golden brown. And then you are going to use your favorite marinara sauce and cheese here. I'm trying to eat a little better this year, and I'm just using just a little bit of smoked Gouda and some Parmesan. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. We're going to let this melt in the oven for about 3 minutes. And this is the results. Absolutely amazing. So dig in. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.